The inside of my knees were really worn down to bone on bone. And I said, I can't let this slow me down. I gotta keep going.
The ideal candidate for a partial knee replacement is number one, a motivated individual who wants to resume a more active and normal lifestyle that they otherwise haven't been able to do because of their arthritis.
There were days that I didn't want to get out of bed because it hurt so much. I knew I was booking the surgery as soon as possible.
Partial knee replacements have been around for over 30 years. In the last decade, extra attention has been placed on the importance of implant position and balance of the knee.
Dr. Scott performed the knee surgery, and it has made a great impact on my life, and I'm very happy.
Computer navigation allows us to improve our accuracy, which ultimately may translate into success of the treatment.